So if you're just starting out and you're not, you're thinking you want to do a jewelry, first of all, you could start making and selling your jewelry right away, and start generating your own money. I see people so afraid to make a move. So if you take a traditional course and you're a person that it didn't quite fit in with, just know that you can have this freedom. You don't have to only be a jeweler from this route. What I want to teach, because I've done fashion and all, just so many different markets and the art field, trained as an artist, you may be an artist and you don't have to go into this tiny little box to build jewelry. So really breathe, have your freedom, use your skills and your foundation of what you have. I want you to do this for you. You're actually, the difference from being a goldsmith and being a jewelry designer is, a jewelry designer is an art form, and you're building your jewelry and your art form from who you are. I teach a deep breathing, I teach a focus, I teach a, when you come into your jewelry and you're doing your authentic work, which is important, you breathe deep just to get out any extra fear that's in there, any extra something that's not yours. So when you show up to your bench, you breathe deep a couple times, 3 times, and you'll get to your real source of yourself. It's so easy to tap into what you need to tap into once you can start with that freshness in yourself. So, if you're using unusual materials, just do it. This is where it's important to close out the world. And I'm going to be your cheerleader here, because I'm always like, yay, the crazier, just do what you want to do. Freedom. That's the word, freedom. Put that in your talisman. So if you want to become a silversmith, I teach for 6 months. There's 6 different techniques in there with boxes, bezels expanded, all types of hollow forms, and links is one, links and assembly, and we can just expand and expand, and it's incredible. And I really help you find your own voice and your own work and how to express yourself in your work through sterling silver. So, if you guys want a little bit more, please join me in my e-course called Intentional Meatalsmithing, where you'll be building pieces like these.